Welcome back, friends. Today I challenge you to guess the answers for related to Nehemiah Rebuilds Wall questions. All right, let's play Classroom Jeopardy Challenge. Rebuilding for 100 points. The question is, what wood did King supply? The answer is timber. Rebuilding for 400 points. The question is, what did builders carry while working? The answer is tools and weapons. Nehemiah for 200 points. The question is, what city needed walls rebuilt? The answer is Jerusalem. Leadership for 400 points. The question is, Nehemiah led by exclamation example. The answer is working. Opposition for 300 points. The question is, who sent threatening letters? The answer is Tobiah. Want to play this game with your group? Follow the link in the description below to get started or to create your own. Simply log in to GamifiedEduTech.com. Choose your game type, search for your topic, and start playing. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more games like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Nehemiah for 400 points. The question is, how long did Nehemiah scout walls? The answer is 3 nights. Leadership for 100 points. The question is, what trait shown asking king's aid? The answer is courage. Opposition for 200 points. The question is, what Arab leader plotted against? The answer is Geshem. Leadership for 300 points. The question is, what resolved nobles' usury? The answer is debt forgiveness. Leadership for 200 points. The question is, how organized workers by kin? The answer is family sections. Rebuilding for 200 points. The question is, how long to finish the wall? The answer is 52 days. Opposition for 100 points. The question is, who mocked the builders first? The answer is Sanballat. Rebuilding for 300 points. The question is, who rallied with hand of God? The answer is Nehemiah. Opposition for 400 points. The question is, what rumors spread by enemies? The answer is rebellion plot. Nehemiah for 300 points. The question is, who gave Nehemiah leave to rebuild? The answer is Artaxerxes. Nehemiah for 100 points. The question is, who served as cupbearer to Artaxerxes? The answer is Nehemiah.